All right, so today we're going to talk about a solution to a minor inconvenience that I have here with my Tesla Model Y. It has this great preconditioning feature that I use every morning, which gets the battery in good shape to start off the day, and then also conditions the interior of the cabin so that it's nice and cool when I get in. But the air conditioner creates a lot of condensation in the garage because it works so awesome, and it originates right here. But as you can see, it kind of flows to this low spot over here as it travels out towards the garage. So if I happen to be getting something out of the garage still in socks, I have wet socks and I hate wet socks. So what I'm going to try and do is capture the moisture at the source point here. So let me show you what I got. So my proposed solution here is this Armor All oil spill mat that I found on Amazon. I'll link it in my description, so if this works out well, you can try this out on your own. So now here with this Armor All oil spill mat unfurled on the garage floor, you can see how big it is in relation to the condensation puddle. So for people that are curious, it's about 58 inches long and about 30 inches wide. So now I'll just sweep away this existing condensation. All right, so now that things are pretty dry, let's move the condensation mat in place. So this should be pretty good right about here. All right, so now that we have our mat in place, I'll just go ahead and move the Tesla back into the garage and give it a test. And so now to test this oil spill or condensation mat, how we're using it here, I'm just going to go into the Tesla app here and run the heat pump to see if we can make some condensation drip onto it. All right, so now we're looking at the underside of my Tesla Model Y and the heat pump is going. And as you can see here, it is effectively removing a lot of condensation from the air. And so far it would appear that this oil drip mat is doing a good job holding the condensation falling off of the Tesla Model Y's heat pump. So we'll let this run for a little bit more and see how much water that this mat can effectively hold. All right, here's what our oil spill mat looks like after the AC was running for about 10 minutes or so. Nothing's come through the underside. Water's not really flowing off or anything like that. So I think this should keep things contained. All right, so I'd consider this a successful test of the absorption capabilities of this Armor All oil spill mat. As you can see here, there's no puddles, so nothing's gonna run off on me. If the durability of this changes over the coming months, I'll update my video description. But if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to leave those down in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.